Hello, this is Dr. J here. Just wanted to give you a quick tour of our office here at 4410 Lamont Street. We are at the corner of Grand and Lamont, right across the street from the 7-Eleven. This is how you would come into our office. We do offer parking here in the alley. We have a few spots here. We actually have 4 spots for you. So you'd walk up just like this, go in the front door. Right now our staff is at lunch, but they would normally be sitting right here. This is our reception area where our patients sit and wait until it's their time to get adjusted. We have 4 doctors here in the office. This is Dr. David's office. He practices Gonstead Chiropractic. That's why we have a knee chest table right here, and he adjusts your cervical spine or your neck here seated in the chair. He has 2 rooms. Both are fairly similar with the types of tables that he uses to adjust, and they both have closing doors, so you will be in private. Then we come down the hallway here. These next rooms, room 3, 4, 5, and 6, right around the corner here, are all shared by Dr. Lori and Dr. Kathy. They have tables that are called Leander tables. They go up and down like this to help stretch out your low back, as well as they have drop tables, which you go ahead and use gravity, and it's a much lighter force adjustment than a manual adjustment. So these next few rooms are fairly similar. Room 4 here is where Dr. Kathy has her desk. Fairly similar room. Room 5 is where Dr. Lori has her desk. Again, fairly similar room, all having Leander tables, just like room 6 here. Then we do offer x-ray here in our office. We have digital x-rays, so these can be emailed to you directly and set up pretty quickly to send over to your primary care doctor if needed, or if you just want to have a copy of your x-rays. We are one of the only offices here in San Diego that offer spinal decompression. Our decompression table is called the VAX-D. This is really helpful for patients who have herniated discs. You get attached to both ends, and it slowly stretches you. Right here, this part of the table moves down as you're holding on up there, and it slowly stretches your back because the way that the low back and the discs of the lumbar spine get fluid is through movement. So when the spine moves, it moves up and down like that, we go ahead and have the herniations really get help from this, and majority of the time they can actually be completely reduced. It does take time, just like anything else with your health, but this is a really cool option we have for patients who have herniated discs. And this is our restroom here. Pretty self-explanatory, simple, easy. You can weigh yourself there if you like as well. And then this is my office, Dr. J's office, room 9 here. There's my desk, and then I have 2 tables in here. One of them is drop table, so again, we can do lighter force. And all of us utilize an instrument called the activator. If you are unfamiliar with it, it's a very light force adjustment tool that we just use this to go ahead and adjust our patient's spines, and it makes it much less invasive and much lighter if that's what they would prefer. We have a little bit of toys here for our kids that come into our office. And I'm going to show you the back really quick. So we have 4 chiropractors here in our office, but we do also offer acupuncture and massage. So these are the other parking spots that we have here. We have 4 spots available right here, and 1 more right here along the building. If we are busy sometimes and there aren't any spots available, there's plenty of street parking. So I'm not going to go in because there is massage going right now, but in the back office here, we have 4 private rooms for acupuncture and massage. And that is the tour of Libs Chiropractic Center.